It's actually an anomaly. I'm horrified by that very regular move. It's actually an illegality. The tallying of election results should be at a gazetted venue and not anywhere, unless the first one is degazetted and the new one gazetted. And I don't think there has been degazetment of the Kilgoris constituency tallying centers and the Narok, that is Masai Mara University County Tallying Center. So what Mr. Namulundu, who is county CRO, or the county, the CRO, is doing is wrong. And I think it's intentional. IBC officials have been frustrating us for the last 4 days or so. We are complaining about the irregularities that have occurred. More than 40,000 of my votes have been moved and given to my opponent. And people have been arrested for doing that. They've been swapping our results, our votes, and we have been complaining about it. So when people see tempers flaring, it's because of the injustice that has been visited on us. And Kenyans can witness for themselves what we've been undergoing, what we have been going through. Because in the first instance, the massive rigging, is of proportions that are not believable. And when they realized that they made mistakes and that we were winning, they decided to change forms. That is form 7A, and it has been like that, and it has been very bad. For Mr. Namulundu to shift the tallying center, first of all from Kilgoris to Narok town, and then from Narok town